Self-leveling cement must have a strong adhesion with the ground after pouring to avoid delamination and cracking during air drying, thereby maintaining optimal construction efficiency. How does fumed silica act as a reinforcing agent? Prepare 2 self-leveling cement samples. One is a control sample. The other is the test sample with 5 per ml fumed silica added. Put the 2 samples into vacuum disperser for thorough mixing. Then pour into triple molds separately. Leave them in normal conditions and check the results after a week. After 1 week, the control sample appeared whiter in color, with more severe efflorescence. Next, proceed with strength test. Place the 2 samples on the ground. Suspend 2 iron balls, then pour into triple molds separately. Release the iron balls simultaneously to impact the 2 samples. Both the control sample and the test sample showed varying damage after impact. In slow motion, the control sample exhibited greater cracking and more debris generation than the test sample upon impact. Fumed silica enhances cement strength, thus improving overall construction quality.